All right, we're trying to figure out what is the temp after additional 15 minutes, temp of the soda. All right, I've written the formula here. This T of T is the temperature of the soda, not the initial temperature of the soda, because the initial temperature of the soda is T sub 0. In this case, that's 40 degrees. And S is the surrounding temperature, it's 99. So you put a 99 here, plus, the first thing you're trying to do is solve for K. So you got to plug in numbers that go together for all these other variables and then solve for K. Well, it tells me after 6 minutes, the soda temp is 52 degrees. So that's going to be your T of T. And then you've got an E here, and then K is what we're trying to find. And these numbers, 52 and 40, those temperatures, that's based after 6 minutes. So plug in 6 for K. And now what you want to do is just solve for K. 52 minus 99, that's negative 47, equals 40 minus 99 is negative 59, E to the 6K. And now what you do is divide both sides by 59. It's going to give you a positive number, and you're left with E to 6K. And now you take the ln of both sides because the variable you're trying to solve for, K, is in the exponent. So now we have ln of 47 over 59 equals, notice how these match, so you use that property of logarithms, and you're left with 6K. And now divide both sides by 6, which would be 1/6 ln 47 over 59 equals K. And now you go back to your original equation and plug in K. So that's T of T, I'll change colors. T of T equals S plus T sub O minus S E to the KT. And that's going to be 1/6 ln 47 over 59 times T. Now answer the question, what is the temperature, so we're trying to figure out this, after additional 15 minutes? Well, you've gone 6 minutes and now 15 minutes, so that's going to be 21 minutes. So just plug in what you know. So your surrounding temperature is 99 plus initial was 40 minus 99. And that's E to the 1/6 ln of 47 over 59 times T. And so from initial of 40 that we're now trying to figure out the temperatures is after additional 15 minutes. So you plug in 21. It's going to be your T. So now it kind of just turns into a calculator problem in just a minute. T of T, let's simplify this a little bit. 99 minus 59 E to multiply that 21 times the 1/6. So you got 21 over 6. You could reduce that if you want to, but you're about to use your calculator, so it doesn't really matter. And that's 47 over 59. And just use your calculator. And I got 72.4. I rounded it.